तुम्ही सीएमाक मेळ्ळेले सांगा. It seems there is a committee which has been appointed and you are one of the committee members to look after the affairs in the state.
Yeah, in his absence.
Okay, what has been the discussion?
No, not much discussion. He said most probably he'll go to Bombay and then decide on his treatment, next course of treatment. The other thing he said was that in case I have to go out, then I'll appoint a 3-member committee of Sudhin Dodikar, Vijay Sardesai and me.
Okay.
To look after the day-to-day affairs of the government.
What would the committee look as? Day-to-day affairs, funding, or what it will be like?
Yes, and the financial powers are up to 5 crores.
5 crores, okay.
Even otherwise, CM's powers is 5 crores and above 5 crores goes to the EFC.
So financial powers have been given to all three of you all for till up to 5 crores.
Yeah.
Okay. So projects, whatever has been on major decisions, would it be referred to CM or it will be a 3-member committee who will sit?
No, those modalities we have to work out. I don't know exactly what is the next course of action. That way, I don't know. This is what he said. They will give some guidelines also, I think.
So the 3-member committee has been given financial powers of up to 5 crores.
Yeah, that is true.
Okay. So till CM comes back from his treatment.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes.
काळाची गरज आहे ती आयज पूर्ण झाली म्हाका दिसता सूरज वेर्णेकर पळय सब रजिस्टर पण
It's my privilege and honor to be the sub-registrar of Tiswadi and getting this opportunity to shift all the record to the new premises. Actually, I being from the Tiswadi Taluka, it was always my dream to have a good office Tiswadi Taluka, and it's my honor to do that.
ह्या ऑफिस जर म्हणल्यार एक रेव्हेन्यू अर्निंग ऑफिस ऑफ द गव्हर्नमेंट ही सगळी बऱ्यो गोष्टी हांगा जाता रायट फ्रॉम मॅरेज टू बायींग सेलिंग ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज ऑल गुड थिंग्स हॅपन म्हणून म्हाका दिसता एक पणजे ज्या कंडिशनान ऑफिस आशिल्लें आनी मेन म्हणजे पार्किंग कन्स्ट्रेंट्स खंय तरी लग्नाक जर सायनी मारपाक येवप जाल्यार मिनिमम न्हवरो व्हंकल ताचे बरोबर आवय बापूय आनी ताचे बरोबर विटनस अशें बेर मिनिमम पसून जर आयली जाल्यार एक 5-6 गाडयो जाल्यार गाडयो दवरपाक मेळनाशिल्लें अडचणीचो जागो आशिल्लो ल्हानसो जागो आशिल्लो आनी तरी पूण तातूंत रजिस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंटाचो स्टाफ कशे लोकांक बरी सर्वीस दिताले पूण म्हाका दिसता अत्यंत गरज आशिल्ली की एक रेव्हेन्यू अर्निंग डिपार्टमेंट जे डिपार्टमेंट गव्हर्नमेंटाक भरपूर रेव्हेन्यू दिता तें एक बरे जागेन शिफ्ट जावचें आनी म्हणूनच म्हाका दिसता ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरान प्रयत्न करून ही जागा तांच्या ह्या डिपार्टमेंटाक अलॉट करून दितली आय सिन्सियरली कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर फॉर दीस
which was demand from public as well as the parties also whoever were coming. Because in Junta House, the office which was housed was really too congested in the days that have passed on. The records are multiplying on per day basis, and ours is a department which is generating record in huge quantity almost every day. To accommodate such a huge office and also to accommodate the public whichever is coming, we were in search of a good office, and thanks to Honorable Chief Minister and Sir Siddharth sir also, who has helped us a lot in getting this particular spacious premises in Spaces Building, which would now, by which we will be able to help public to a great extent by giving them proper attention and proper care for all their needs.
सगळ्यांक देवरी सांगून आयज एक कशीशी खबर काळाची गरज आली म्हणजे सगळे कडल्यान मागण्यो येताल्यो म्हणजे तुमचे सारकें ना. आमचे रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफिसां सादारणशी सरकाराक 136 कोटी वर्साक दिता. म्हणटकच एकमेव डिपार्टमेंट म्हणजे सरकाराक रेव्हेन्यू दिता. चडशे डिपार्टमेंट सरकाराचे पयशे मोडटात पूण आमकां पयशे एकठांय करतात आनी सरकाराक दितात. म्हणटकच हें ऑफिस हांव सदांच सीएमाक सांगतालो हें ऑफिस जाग्यार घालपाची गरज जावंक ना. धाकट्या जाग्यार ऑफिस बसूंक शकना. दिसाक 25-30 डिडां येता. कोणाचे वील करचे पडटा कोणाचे गिफ्ट करचे पडटा ते घाईन करचे पडटा ते वील चड करून विलाक टायम गावना आमकां. म्हणजे केन्नाय पार्टी हांगासर येतात केन्नाय पार्टीचे घरा वयचें पडटा. म्हणजे 2 गरजो आहा. एक 2 सब रजिस्टर आसपाक जाय मेन सब रजिस्टर आनी जॉयंट सब रजिस्टर आसपाक जाय आनी जागा बरी जाय. आतां आपल्यान सांगलें लग्न जावपाक पयलें पावल जे लग्नाक घालता पळय तें रजिस्ट्रेशन तेंच वायट एक्सपिरियन्स. म्हणजे लग्न जाताना कितके त्रास जाता ते पयलेच दिसा कळटा. म्हणटकच हांव सदांच सांगतालो म्हणजे सब रजिस्टर जेन्ना जोडपे येता पळय रजिस्ट्रेशनाक तांकां बरीशीन बसया. तांकां तेंचे आवय बापूय येता तांकां बसया. हांव तांकां च्या दी म्हणून सांगना पूण तेंचे एक्सपिरियन्स एक बरें आसपाक जाय. आपूण रजिस्ट्रेशन जाता जिवनाचे मोठे पावल आमी फुडें मारतात तेन्ना ते एक्सपिरियन्स बरें आसपाक जाय. तयारी करता ऑफिसां बरी करपाक. कोणें म्हाका दिसता हेचे परस बरें ऑफिसां म्हापशें आमी बरें करपाचो प्रयत्न केल्लो पूण ते बॅकफायर जालें आमचेर. आमी जागा घेवन दुसरे कडेन गेल्ले SR बिल्डिंगेन खंय ते लिफ्ट बांदपाक जालें. मागीर सेकंड फ्लोरार लोकांक जर त्रास जावपाक लागले ते अडचणी तयार जातलो. म्हणटा सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार डॉक्युमेंटेशन खूब आसता ह्या डिपार्टमेंटान. आमी सगळे आतां कंप्युटरायज केल्ले आहा पूण तरी आसतना मॅन्युअल वर्क उरतात. आमचे रेकॉर्ड्स सांबाळपाचें काम अजून मॅन्युअल आहा. आनी तुमकां खबर आहा जे पणजे आमी ऑफिस शारान भितर करताले पळय ऑफिस वापरताले ते PWD प्रिमायसीस. म्हणजे PWD परती मागपाक लागले आमचे कडेन तुमी भायर सरा आमकां जाय गरज जावना तुमकां म्हणजे तेंचें ऑफिस तांकां दिवचें पडलें परत. एक वटेन बरें जालें तें तेंच्यांनी मागलें म्हणून आमकां न्हय गावलें. न्हय गावचें ना. म्हणटूच हांव तिसवाडीच्या लोकांक शुभेच्छा दिता कित्याक तांकां बरें वस्तू गावल्ले आहा. They have got a good premises.
Difficult to maintain documents here because these are age-old documents. How that system has been put into place?
Oh, that's what we have done photocopying earlier. But part of our documents are not digitized yet. म्हणटकच तें काम आतां सुरू करता. We have to preserve the documents. Otherwise, we'll lose documents.
अनेक इशू म्हणटा पळय तो जेन्ना कोणी डॉक्युमेंट मागोंक येता हो येता ताका एक दिसात रिक्वायर्ड डेटी प्रमाणे मेळना. ही हॅज टू कम टायम इन अगेन ताका पावटी मारच्यो पडटा. सो हाव वूड यू वन युअर ऑफिसर्स
This is regarding old documents.
Even the
documents are immediately given. Within a day's time, we give no documents.
Digitization work is also in process.
so how long it will take for digitization? कितल्या दिसांनी जातले?
It would take some time because of further formalities. Once that has been done, we would be able to do it. The work has
कितको
already
टायम म्हणून
started.
सांगपाक जायना. ते सगळे रजिस्ट्रेशन 12 रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफिसान
तुम्ही आनी एक म्हणला की PWD ऑफिस ते पोन्ने ऑफिसार तुमचे कडेन मागताले खाली कर म्हणून परते were they legally saying you have to move out from there? What it is?
No. They were requesting us to give the premises back to them.
In fact, it is a
It's
see,
a blessing in disguise.
he has pursued for this office, and that is why this office was given to them. And in turn, PWD got their own premises.
So this will be more frequently or more better for the locals to come
Yeah,
get their
because
work.
there's parking here. It's more spacious. They can move around freely. All these facilities are better than the old office.
Thank you.
तीन BJP MLAs बरोबर
सगळी मीटिंग बराबर झाल्या. So in that meeting only it was discussed.
not discussed.
Ah.
He said
एकानंतर तर डेफिनेटली
in his absence.
These three members will function day-to-day activities. Powers we have given to these three members.
So it was not a discussion. It was only a statement. Only press was not allowed.
No, but financial powers have been said 5 crores and up to. And what about MLA?
The procedures only 5 crores is the powers of the government.
And
Then it goes to the expenditure finance committee.
no, but what happens to the funding of MLAs? If MLA is this and all.
No, that is also 5 crores.
No, but the three members committee will have the powers to give even for MLAs for their projects and all.
It will
Other than
it
running
will
around, of course.
be for everybody. Everything. And the problem is 5 crores at a time.
Hmm.
No, like 25 crores were given to MLAs. 25 crores is not for one project. It is for various roads.
Correct.
And for waterworks department. It is that way. Buildings. 25 crores is over to cover all the expenses.
No, but
of the
over a period of how many months or what it is?
motor.
This 5 crores is financial.
The government, the same as given 25 crores per MLA.
Correct.
No, it is not for one project.
It covers various projects.
Various projects, road works, waterworks, then buildings. There are so many things that will happen. But each estimate will be hardly 2 crores or 3 crores or 4 crores. Never exceed 5 crores.
So is it, since you are also a member of the 3-member committee now, how do you see your responsibility since CM has even appointed you
So it
one?
is a good thing there are 3 members in it. You see, it is a question of checks and balances.
Okay.
So, if I overlook something, somebody else will point it out. So it is actually a collective decision. Whatever approvals are given, it's a collective decision. So it becomes better, I feel, for governance.
Collective wisdom.
Yeah.
So every file, your 3 people will see it. Then it's
Some of the files are routine, and no application of mine at all.
So-
the routine files.
So government procedures, government functioning will not come to a standstill.
Exactly. That is the purpose of the committee.